Get ready for a news blitz that's going to blow your mind. First up, Mexico's antitrust watchdog, COFES, makes a monumental decision impacting Amazon and Mercado Libre. Then, buckle up as Apple faces regulatory hurdles, delaying the iPhone Air launch in China. Next, get the inside scoop, as the auto finance platform Lendbuzz prepares to go public. And finally, the FTC launches a major investigation into the advertising practices of giants Amazon and Google. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Mexico's antitrust watchdog declines action against Amazon and Mercado Libre. This is big. Mexico's powerful antitrust watchdog, COFES, has decided not to implement corrective measures against e-commerce giants Amazon and Mercado Libre, despite finding they create barriers to competition. COFES has been scrutinizing the country's booming e-commerce market, where Amazon and Mercado Libre together dominate a massive 85% of all sales. While a preliminary report earlier this year suggested the government should step in to ensure fair competition, COFES's final ruling is a significant shift. The watchdog confirmed that both Amazon and Mercado Libre hinder competition by being opaque with sellers about product visibility and by favoring sellers who use their own logistics services. However, in a surprising move, COFES stated it will not impose sanctions, citing uncertainty about whether consumers and small businesses would actually benefit from such actions. Amazon Mexico's Deputy General Counsel, Fernanda Ramo, expressed pleasure, stating the decision underscores the competitiveness of the retail sector in Mexico and the absence of barriers to competition. Mercado Libre highlighted its role in empowering over 1 million Mexican entrepreneurs and SMBs, contributing significantly to the nation's GDP and fostering financial inclusion. But will this decision truly foster a level playing field, or are bigger challenges ahead? Next, Apple's highly anticipated iPhone Air faces a surprising delay in China due to unexpected regulatory roadblocks. Apple's iPhone Air launch delayed in China amidst regulatory headwinds. Get ready for a surprise. Apple's innovative iPhone Air is hitting a snag, with its launch in China now postponed due to unforeseen regulatory hurdles. While details remain scarce, industry insiders suggest that Apple is navigating complex compliance requirements within the Chinese market that have impacted the rollout schedule. This delay comes at a critical time for Apple as it aims to maintain its strong market presence in China, a key revenue driver for the company. The iPhone Air was expected to be a significant product for the tech giant, potentially capturing a new segment of the market. Analysts are closely watching how Apple will address these regulatory challenges, as similar issues have affected other global tech companies operating in China. The delay could also impact Apple's overall sales projections for the current fiscal year and potentially give competitors an opening. Could these regulatory challenges signal a broader shift in China's tech landscape? Meanwhile, get ready for big news in the auto finance world as Lendbuzz gears up for its public debut. Auto finance innovator Lendbuzz set to hit the public markets. Big news for the financial sector. Auto finance platform Lendbuzz is officially preparing to go public, signaling a major milestone for the company. Lendbuzz has been making waves in the auto lending space with its tech-driven approach, aiming to streamline the car financing process for consumers. The company's decision to pursue an IPO indicates strong investor confidence in its business model and future growth prospects. This move could provide Lendbuzz with significant capital to expand its operations, enhance its platform, and reach a wider customer base. Industry observers are eager to see how Lendbuzz will perform on the public market, especially given the current economic climate. Its success could pave the way for other fintech companies in the auto finance sector to follow suit, potentially reshaping the competitive landscape. Will Lendbuzz's IPO drive further innovation in car financing? Stay tuned, because the FTC is launching a major investigation into the advertising practices of tech titans Amazon and Google. FTC launches investigation into advertising practices of Amazon and Google. Attention shoppers and advertisers. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, has officially launched a wide-ranging investigation into the advertising practices of tech giants Amazon and Google. This significant probe will examine how these colossal companies operate their advertising businesses, focusing on potential antitrust concerns and fair competition. The FTC is likely scrutinizing data usage, ad placement algorithms, and any practices that might disadvantage smaller advertisers or consumers. Both Amazon and Google dominate vast portions of the digital advertising market, making this investigation a critical development for the future of online advertising and e-commerce. The tech industry is bracing for the impact of this investigation, as its findings could lead to new regulations or even legal challenges. Consumers and businesses alike will be watching closely to see how this unfolds and what it means for transparency and fairness in the digital ad space. Could this investigation reshape the digital advertising landscape as we know it? Don't go anywhere. We've got a lightning round recap of all today's top stories coming right up. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. We saw Mexico's antitrust watchdog make a key decision affecting Amazon and Mercado Libre, Apple's iPhone Air launch delayed in China, auto finance platform Lendbuzz preparing to go public, and the FTC investigating Amazon and Google's advertising practices. What a packed show. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe to Amazon Insights for more, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and give us a follow on all our social media channels for breaking news and behind-the-scenes content.